its second wave. Cases are increasing gradually and everything is closed. Your school, your job, your office, or even your roads are closed. In this phase, we are trying to be productive, and this is going to be tough. Like Brian Tracy said, you have to tackle the hardest thing first, then you should go for your smallest thing. We'll talk about 6 of the main things and main tips that you should apply in your day-to-day lockdown life and be productive in your home. The first one is get a morning routine. You don't have to be oversleep. Get up early and do some work. If you want to oversleep, then try to sleep for 5 to 10 minutes extra for your sake, and apply the formula called 20-20-20 formula by Robin Sharma. And this formula tells us a 60-minute cycle of the most productive morning routine. First of all, spend your first 20 minutes in intensive exercise. Sweating releases BDNF, a brain chemical that actually grows neural connection. Working out also releases dopamine, that neurotransformation of motivation, and serotonin, which makes you feel happy. Then for the next 20 minutes, the 20 minutes packet. Review your annual plan, reflect your daily quarterly goals, set your to-do list for the rest of the day, and clarity precedes mastery, and this practice will deepen your focus throughout your day. So make sure you should maintain a to-do list for that day. Invest the final 20 minutes of this learning something, like reading autobiographies of great humans like Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, or Bill Gates. Listen to leadership podcast, or even our podcast, the Productivity Side podcast. You can find on all the podcast platform. Go and listen there. This helps you motivate you, and your health will be okay, and you learn something, and you think about your goals. Then the 1 hour that is very important for your day. So if you channelize your day by doing some great tasks like reading, thinking, and working out, then you are enable your thoughts and your subconscious mind to act on that and to tend that flow on that day. So make sure you should follow that formula, the 20-20-20 formula, for the rest of the 1 hour for your day. The second one is learn something new or new skills. The world is going to be tough for the next 20-30 years. Everything is going to be online, and some of the tasks which can be done by machines. So you learn useful skills, and that will help you in the future, or even that period also. You can watch documentaries on many things on Netflix. Read some books on non-fiction books or fiction books as well. Do some courses. You can do some courses for free. Just type on Google courses for free, and you find a list of a bunch of courses that are highly knowledge and for free also. Listen to podcasts. There are many podcasts that are very good to You can learn languages like sign languages or even any languages or spoken languages. You can learn communication, and like I am learning a new language, that is English, and this is the process which I am making by doing YouTube and podcast. The third one is meditation. You should try meditation. This opens up your mind and helps to figure out your critical thinking, helps to boost your critical thinking, and helps you to channelize your throughout the day and make a good performance on many days. Meditation can help you to boost productivity, release stress, and there are many benefits of meditation. You should try meditating at least for 10 to 20 minutes a day. The fourth one is set goals. Setting goals is the hardest thing, and the even hardest thing is achieving that goal. According to some studies, 3% of the adults write about their goals and can achieve their goals. So you are going to be the 3% of category. Then you should set goals. I make a video on that, how to set goals and the step-by-step process of getting things done by setting goals and accomplish that goals. So make sure to check out the video to learn something or set goals or achieve those goals, and this is going to be the best decision to make to set goals for your life, or write down your goals. When you write down your goals, your subconscious mind will set you to feed you to do that thing and make active on that thing. The fifth one is going to be write something or journal or organize your story notes. You should write something to make your subconscious mind to feed your day and make the things done by writing down in your paper or writing down on a digital note. You should organize your study notes to prepare for the rest of the exams or semesters. Or you can do journal. Journal means you should write something about yourself, about everything, about what's going on in your life or what's going on your city or your country. The sixth one is going to be maintain your health. This is going to be the best decision when you make. Maintain your health can makes you more productive. When your health does not work or your mind does not work or your health is not okay, then the rest of the tips are not going to be work. You are not going to be learn a new skill or meditate or set goals. You should try maintain your health and try to be eat healthy and maintain your body, and try exercise daily. You should exercise 6 days a week and one day rest. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do comment what we are going to be learn in this phase, and suggest more topics for later videos. And thanks for listening or thanks for watching this video.